After 6 making of a scientist, CBSE 10, Richard Ebrit has received the Serial Scholars Award and Scaring a Plug Award for that biochemistry and molecular biology. It was his fascination for the butterflies that opened the world of the science to him. In this lesson, we will see regarding that the Richard Edwards, he how he get that the scholar award. Then he's a very scholar person. We will see here. At the age of 22, a former Scot of the Year excited the scientific world with a new theory on how cells work. Richard H. Edbritt and his college roommate explained the theory in an article in the Proceeding of National Academy of the Science. At the age of 22, a former means Scot of the Year means a Scot of the Year program provides member of the Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts who display the standout the citizenship excited the scientific world with a new theory on how cell work. That is a new theory how cell work. This is a new theory is a scientific world is very eager and excited for that the new scientific theory. Richard H. Edbritt and his the college roommate explained the theory in an article. He and his friend that explained that the theory it is an important theory. They explain in that the article in the proceeding of the National Academy of the Science. It was the first time this important scientific journal had ever published the work of college student. It was the first time it is the important scientific journal had ever the published the work of that the college student. In sport that would be alike the making the big league at the age of the 15 and hitting a home run your first time at bat. That is the in a sport that would be like the making the big league at the age of the 15 and hitting that age of the 15 years old student. They organize that the one league. It is a huge leagues program. They organize it. It is hitting at home run your first time at a bat. On that time he is the first on hitting of that the bat, hitting of the bat. For Richard Edbritt, it was the first in a long strings of the achievement in a science and other field. That the Richard's long streak of the achievement in a science as well as in the field, means in a sport as well as in that study. He was the better. And it all started with the butterflies. That means a home run in a game. Baseball is a when a batter score a run after running safely around all base and back to the home plate without the stopping. It is called the bat. In short, bat means the baseball game. An only child, Everett grew up north of Reading. Then Pennsylvania's there wasn't much I could do there, he said. I recently couldn't play football or baseball with a team of one. But there was one things I could do, collect the things. Then so he did, and did he ever beginnings in kindergarten Everett collected butterflies with the same determination that has marked all his activities. So he also collected the rocks, fossils, and coins. He became an eager astronomer to sometimes start gazing all night. An only child, and a child Everett grew up north of the Reading. Then Pennsylvania means a state of the United States of America. It is a state. There wasn't much I could do there, he said. He said there wasn't much I could do. Then I certainly couldn't play football or baseball with a team of one. He said I certainly couldn't play football as well as baseball with the team of one. But there was one thing I could do, collect the things. Then he do, it is a collecting thing. He's a hobby of the collecting things. So he did and did e ever. Beginning he kindergarten. Kindergarten, it is a kindergarten is a belong from the German word, and it is a kinder means the children and garden means the garden, means the early childhood, that is the age of the early childhood. Then Ebritz collected the butterflies with the same determination that has marked all his activities. He has hobby of that collecting butterflies. Then he also collected rocks, fossils, and coins. That is like to collect him rocks, fossils, coins, etc. He became an eager astronomer. He wanted to become the astronomer too, sometimes start gazing all night. From the childhood, he had a driving curiosity along with a bright mind. He also had a mother who encouraged his interest in learning. She took him on trips, brought him telescope, microscope, cameras, and mounting materials and other equipment, and helped him in many other ways. From the first, he had a driving curiosity along with a bright mind. He liked to drive, and for that is the curiosities along with that the mind. He also had a mother. He had a mother who encouraged his interest in learning. Always his mother encouraged is a different learning. Then she took him on trips. She always took him on the trip, brought him telescope, she brought him telescope, microscope, cameras, mounting materials, and other equipment, and helped him in many other ways. I was his only companion until he started school, his mother said. After that, I would bring home friend for him. But at night, we just did things together. Richie was my whole life after his father died when Richie was in third grade. I was his only companion until he started school. She, his mother said. His mother said, I got that the companion until he started the school. After that, I would bring home friend for him. Then after that, he bring that the friend at home. But at night, we just did think together. Rich was the my whole life after his father died when Rich was in a third grade. Rich was in a third grade on that time his father died. From that his father died. He is a part of my life, said his mother. She and her son spent almost every evening at the dinner room table. She and her son spent a lot of time with each other on that evening at the dinner room table. If he didn't have things to do, I found work for him. Not physical work, but learning things, his mother said. His mother said, always I found that the work, not only physical, but it's actually learning things she gave a more to him. He liked it. He wanted to learn. He liked it and he want to learn more. And learned he did. He earned top grade in a school. On every day, think he was just like every other kid, his mother said. And the learn he did. He learned a better in that the school level. He earned top grade in a school. He always come top in that the school. On every day, think he was just like every other kid, his mother said. According to his mother, he said, she said things he had was just like the every other kid. Then, by the time he was in second grade, and Edbrit had collected all 25 species of the butterflies. When the Albert was in a second standard, on that time he collected 25 species of the butterflies found around his hometown. See the following the box. We will see the following box in a next video.